Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you my process of learning new things in photography. And yesterday night I was watching this video from Adorama TV, which is an amazing channel of this fantastic photographer, Lindsay Adler. She's explaining like her settings, about how to pose, and also the setup that she had in place. She has like a key light here, which has a grid on the front, just not to spread the light everywhere. And she also has a light for the backdrop. And then one important thing, she has a flag. You're gonna see it right now. That's the flag, and it's basically used to stop the light and create some shadow. Look at the result of this session. Look at this portrait and this other one. This is stunning. And so I thought, why don't you try to do it by yourself? And the idea is that obviously at the moment I don't have a model that can pose for me, and so I have to do a self-portrait. And by the way guys, doing a self-portrait is very, very important. It's the most challenging way you can improve and level up your photography. It's so challenging because you are doing the photographer part and you are also doing the model part. So usually people are harsh with themselves, they're never happy about how they pose, and that's the same for me and I guess for 99% of the people. And at the same time, you need to be a photographer, so you need to take care of the light, exposure, focus and everything. Now let's go and see the settings for the shooting. I have several options for the key light. I can use, for example, the V100 from Godox or the AD200, but I decide, because I want to cut the light, I decide to use this new light that I got like 3 months ago, which is a fantastic light. I'll put like the link in description. So I bought this light for video mostly because it's so light and you can take it wherever you want, but you can use also for photography. That's not a problem. Plus I also got the spotlight in front of it, you can see, so you have all the different possibility to shape the light, cut the light. You can have also a gobo in front of it. You can basically insert the gobo and then you're gonna have like a window, the moon and so on, all the different shape. The second light, it's the light for the background, and I have here Godox AD200, and that's gonna basically make the background, which is a gray one from Godox again, is gonna make it completely white. Here we have the Sony A7R5 with the 85 1.4 Mark II. On top of the camera we have the trigger for the flash. Again, see it's manual 1/16. After a little bit of test, those are the settings that I decide to use, which is 1/100 for the shutter speed, it's 6.3 the aperture, and the ISO it's 250. The autofocus continue autofocus with tracking for the eye. Now the main problem, I need to take a self-portrait, right? And how can I do it? And that's the hard part. If you use a Sony camera, there is an app, which is this one. It's the Creator App. Basically you have the preview of the image that it is. You have all the parameters, as you can see, are the same that we have on the camera, and then you can basically trigger the shutter. That's it. And then you have a preview. You can keep the preview, you can zoom and do whatever you want, and then when you are ready you get back. So now it's all about the model part. I need to play that role. I'm gonna change my t-shirt and then I'll try to take some shots. So after 20-30 minutes of shooting, I was able eventually to get a shot that I like. So this is where I started from. I love like this image and say I want to do it, and this is the image that I was able to take. I like it very much. It's similar in terms of style, but there is a little bit more shadows. It's a little bit more contrasty, I think. This image is fantastic. Obviously, Lindsay, she's an amazing photographer, and the model is handsome, so cannot compare with me. But I really like this image, and it's something that I can reuse for my clients. The point of this video is basically everyone, all of us, we go to YouTube and we watch video, and that's how I learn photography. And this is perfect. I mean, we are lucky to live in a situation where we have this possibility of information, like availability of information, which was not the case, I don't know, 20 years ago. But that's not enough. The only way to learn something is that you can watch the video. That's totally fine. It's perfect. But then you need to do it yourself. Try to copy what you see, and then you put like your style on top of it. So watch it, shoot it, own it. That's my recipe for learning new thing, and I hope you're gonna find it useful as well. And if you have any self-portrait, share like in on Instagram, tag me, and I would love to see your work. So see you soon.